Want to know how to see your ranking or clan ranking in Raid Shadow Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can see it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, clan ranking is super simple in order to see what you have achieved and what is lacking on you. So let's get right into it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Raid Shadow Legends game. So we have also created very similar videos regarding that, so make sure to watch it. So once you've opened it up, here on the bottom you should be seeing clan right here, right beside index. So you can just simply select it. So now once you've selected that, by default you should be under your clan info where you should be seeing your clan levels and much more. Now in order to see your personal clan ranking, here right below members you should be seeing ranking right here in the trophy icon. Just simply select that. So now once you've selected that, you should be seeing your current clan ranking. So our is below 1000. So you can see the top 10 as well, as you can see right here. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more awesome videos. See you in the next one.